Hello, everyone. Have you ever seen those viral videos of pigs or cats cooking on social media? In just 4 simple steps, you too can create such million-view videos. Let's get started right now. Here's an example, a super unique animal cooking video. Doesn't it look both funny and engaging? It's not hard at all. I will show you how to do it from A to Z right here. Step 1. Generate ideas with ChatGPT. First, use ChatGPT to generate ideas. Here I have prepared a sample prompt for image creation, and you just need to ask ChatGPT. Based on the following sample prompt, please write 3 prompts to create images using AI tools, replacing lion with tiger, pig, and cat. Wait a moment for ChatGPT to generate the prompts you requested. Step 2. Create images with Leonardo AI. Next, access Leonardo AI by clicking Get Started. If this is your first time, you can log in using your Google account. In the settings, follow these steps one by one. Image creation. Next, in the preset section, select Leonardo Phoenix. Then, in the prompt enhances section, choose automatic. Here, choose 3D render. Next, set high under the contrast section. Finally, under more, depending on which social media platform you want to upload to, choose the appropriate image ratio, such as for Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Paste the prompt generated from ChatGPT and click Generate. Wait a moment for the AI to create the image. And here are the impressive images created by AI. Step 3. Convert images to video with Halo AI. Now that we have the images, it's time to turn them into videos. Use Halo AI to convert the images into realistic animated videos, making it feel like the animals are actually cooking. Access Halo AI using your Google account, then select Create, followed by Image to Video. Next, upload the image that was just created using Leonardo AI, paste the prompt generated from ChatGPT, and finally click Convert. Wait a moment, and here's the result. Step 4. Edit with CapCut. Open the CapCut app, click Create Project, upload the video from Hilo AI, add the text the pig is cooking, a few transition effects, and add music. Finally, export the video, and here's the final product. Very impressive. Who wouldn't enjoy watching this? With just 4 simple steps, you've created a viral video with millions of views to post on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.